to the power a minus 2 to the power a, the square, and 6 to the power a. So find the value of a. So first we can write this your a square is 2a minus 2 to 3 to the power a and 2 to the power a, and there plus 2 to the power a square is 2 to the power 2x 2a. You can write 2 to the power a the square, so 2 to the power 2a, and there is 6 to the power. You can write up this, and now there 3 to the power 2a, and there is the 3 and 2, so 6 to 6a, 2 into 6, and there is 2 to the power 2a is 6a, and now there 3 to the power 2a and plus 2 to the power 2a, and this is there, so 2 6a and 6a, so there is 3 6a, and so now this is divide the 3 to the power 2a, divide 2 to the power 2a, and 2 to the power 2a, so divide 2 to the power 2a, and here this 6a we can write the 3 to the power a into 2 to the power a, and divide the 2 to the power 2a, both of sides we divide. So now here 3 to the power 2 is a, and the square we can write of this term, we can write this is a 2a, so a is inner, right, and there is cut to 1, and now there this 2a, so cut this 2 square, so there is term is 3, and there is 3a, and there is the 2a, and this we can write 3 and 2a, we can write of this, and now this term we can take the a, take x, so here this is the x square, this is the x take, so this is the x square, and this is the 3x, so here is 3x, and there is plus 1 0. So now their coordinator is a is 1, and there is b is -3, and c is +1. So we can write the minus b plus, sorry, there is b minus b, and there is b square 4ac by 2a. Now here this is -3, so this is -3 plus minus, and there is the -3, the square, and 4, and 1, and c is 1, and there is 1. So there is 3, and plus minus there is 9 minus 4, there is 2. So there is the 3 plus minus of 5 is 2. So x value, this x value is, so we can write x value is the 3 plus minus 2. We can write this is this similar. So here we can write take the log. So log the 2 a and the log of 3 plus minus of 5, the 2. So a value is the log base 3/2 and 3 plus minus of 5/2. So a value is this, and there is the plus and minus 2 is guaranteed because root 5 is less than the 3. So this term is plus, so this is the plus term, and if this is the minus, so this is the plus term. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.